Hello, class 370. This is Halat. My book is God Created the Integers, the Mathematical Breakthroughs That Changed History by Stephen Hawking. This book features works of experts from 21 mathematicians and their most important works in history of mathematics. The title of the book is a reference to a quotation attributed to mathematician Leopold Kronecker, who once wrote that God made the integers, all else is the work of man. Although Kronecker is not included within the 21 mathematicians Hawking picked for his book, and contrary to what the title could imply, there is nothing about God and mathematics in this book. Below is the list of the 21 mathematicians included in the book. We discussed some of them during our weekly D2L discussion, like Euclid, Archimedes, Newton, Euler, Gauss. I knew the biographies of many of these men, especially the ones that were featured in our weekly D2L discussions, but not all these men. Of the ones I didn't know their life, but I didn't know their work, my favorite is George Ball. I almost choked up when I read how he died. He caught a severe chill from walking in the rain, which later turned into a lung infection, causing his death. Ball achieved many honors in his life, but perhaps the greatest honor on Ball is that many computer languages have the values true or false. They are called booleans. He is also called the grandfather of information technology, and some say we couldn't turn a switch off or on without Ball. The life of these men was very hard, and many of them died tragically very young. For example, Galois, who is a French mathematician, lived in 1811 to 1832, made his mark by proving that there is no general solution by radicals for polynomial equation of the fifth degree or higher, died at the age of 21 because of a duel with a man named d'Harberville. Galois didn't live to see his paper published, but he is now recognized by the greatest tribute that mathematics can give. A branch of mathematics is named for him, Galois theory. It's very interesting that how many of them had mental depression. Cantor spent the last 25 years of his life in and out of mental hospital. And Kurt Gödel, who proved some of the deepest results of modern mathematics, was also lifelong hypochondriac, just a health anxiety or anxiety disorder, who saw conspiracy behind every door. Also interesting how Germany gave birth to so many mathematicians. Bernhard, Weierstrass, Tittkant, Kurt Gödel, and my favorites are Carl Friedrich Gauss and George Cantor. Although the book states Leonhard Euler as a Swiss-born, but the fact he was from Kingdom of Prussia, which was a German kingdom that constituted the state of Prussia between 1701 and 1918. My favorite mathematical works were Leonhard Euler's work on the Seven Bridge of Königsberg. That problem was presented when the people of Königsberg wondered if someone could take a walk crossing all of these bridges once and only once. Well, most people doubted that such a walk was possible, but no one could prove it. Euler did. The book goes through the analysis and also goes to many other problems, such as the Augustine Louis Cauchy's work on the differential calculus and Joseph Fourier works on the theory of heat. And I think the book does a great job. I am very impressed with the book's selections and thoroughness in presenting some very special mathematicians, both their lives and their ideas. Of course, it does not include all the important works in mathematics, and I don't think any single book can, I enjoyed reading this book, and I ended up wanting to learn more about the life of these men and how their works shaped the mathematical field. But since it's only a 5 minute video, I couldn't go through all the works. But I do recommend you, class, to buy this book. It's a really fun book. You can use it as a reference. You will need it. Thanks. Halat.